Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a RAM upgrade that could breathe new life into your Lenovo ThinkCentre. We're looking at the OWC 16GB DDR4 2666MHz module, specifically designed for compatibility with several ThinkCentre models like the M720E, M720S, M720T, M725S, and M75S1. Now, why is RAM so important? Well, it's the short-term memory of your computer. The more you have, the smoother your multitasking and overall system performance will be. If you've been experiencing sluggishness, especially when running multiple applications or dealing with large files, a RAM upgrade is often the most cost-effective solution. This OWC module boasts a speed of 2666 MHz and a CAS latency of 19 CL19. It operates at a standard 1.2V, making it energy efficient. It's a 288-pin UDIM, which is the standard form factor for desktop computers. The fact that it adheres to JEDEC standard specifications is reassuring, meaning it should play nicely with your system. It's also RoHS compliant, which is a plus for environmental considerations. OWC emphasizes that this RAM is warranty safe, meaning installing it shouldn't void your Lenovo warranty. This is a crucial point, as some upgrades can cause warranty issues. They've designed and tested this module to meet or exceed the original equipment manufacturer's specifications, which inspires confidence. One of the best things about this OWC memory is that it is a direct replacement for multiple Lenovo part numbers, including 01AG840, for X70 R38788, for X70Z 46580, for X70Z 50947, for X71D 07932, and for ZC7A08702. This makes it easy to confirm compatibility with your specific ThinkCentre model. OWC also offers a consumer-friendly advanced replacement program and a limited lifetime warranty, including free tech support. This level of support is invaluable, especially if you're not particularly tech-savvy. Knowing you can get help if you run into any issues is a major benefit. In short, the OWC 16GB DDR4 2666 MHz RAM module appears to be a solid upgrade option for compatible Lenovo ThinkCentre desktops. It offers a performance boost, adheres to industry standards, and comes with excellent support from OWC. If you're looking to improve the responsiveness of your ThinkCentre, this RAM is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.